Tiana isn't playing games anymore. She's throwing people down waterfalls. The dark clouds, you actually feel like, now it actually feels like we're in a bayou. Without that sunlight, look at this. Tell me this does not look like a bayou with the dark clouds. This is incredible. This is what I wanted to see. Like literally, I found no photos with Tiana's in the dark thunderstorms. Oh my gosh, the wind's blowing the mist everywhere. Hey, sorry. Thank you. The mountain has spoken. Or the salt mine has spoken. It just both went off the same time. Oh no, I can't even see the drop! Fun fact, if you actually listen, you can actually hear a bunch of banjos playing, signifying they're returning back in Frontierland to keep following the river of the food ingredients, which these are the food carts that we're sitting in, and they're being shipped all the way back into New Orleans back there. So back that way is New Orleans, here is the western desert. Like this is like all the western desert, that is back there the start of New Orleans, or sorry, Louisiana. Look at this. A rare moment, finally. This is so fun. Like this is actually what Splash Mountain used to look like when it had the trees hovering above. There was just pure darkness, and and you would just see like the drop in the background, which was pure nostalgia. Honestly, it's getting more darker every time I look at it, and it's getting more beautiful. This is pure amazing. I know it's just Tiana's Bayou Adventure Under the Clouds, but it looks amazing. It's giving me the Splash Mountain vibes. Where you would ride Splash Mountain, you would... I don't know, I feel like the weather has changed here all of a sudden. It hasn't been thunderstorming as much as it used to. Either that, or it's just because I only came here during vacations and only seen thunderstorms during a week. But I don't know. But this is something I've always wanted to see. Look how dark the rocks look now, and look how scary the mountain or salt mine looks now. This is what created the fear in Splash Mountain, especially for little kids. Like imagine that tree branch on top, and you have the thunder clouds above, and your parents are saying, "Hey, well, let's go ride Splash Mountain," and kids are looking at that like, "I'm doomed! I'm doomed!" What is it can? Oh, never mind. Look how amazing that looks. Look how amazing that looks. And this, yeah, so this is what Splash Mountain looked like in this area with the trees. Like they had trees like this hovering above here, and it was a dark, nice looking area. And now it's beautiful. It's like a garden. It's beautiful. But Splash Mountain always gives that nostalgia. Finally. It's raining hard. It's raining hard. Next to Tiana's. And it's a perfect scream too. We just don't have a scary looking branch on the top of that mountain, but hey, it's okay. It's okay. Beautiful. Beautiful footage. Beautiful footage. Look at the dark colors. Many Splash Mountain fans will remember that. I don't know if you ever done this, Splash Mountain fans, but have you ever rode with ponchos like that? Ponchos like that. Hey, there you go. Hey. And I was just bringing that up. I didn't even see them wearing ponchos. Tell me this does not feel like Splash Mountain when you look at it in this color, this form. It's not the same when sunset goes down, because it gets so you see the sunset, but then it just gets darker and darker. You don't get to experience the moment when you see the red rocks of the Louisiana. And it's just something so nostalgic and beautiful, and I'm gonna remember this nostalgic moment of Tianas now. I finally got to see what it looks like with Tianas. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. Ah, man. At least we got this thing. At least we got this branch right here. Something. We need something on top of that loop. We need not loop. That mountain thing, that salt mine. We need that boat. I hope they update that in 10 years with the boat, more alligators, and it'll be just like Splash Mountain. And now the most nostalgic moment. With the scream perfectly well. But let's add that little thing on top. And look at that. I have created Splash Mountain. This is beautiful. Tianas boots. Prepare to go down the steepest drop of your life. Well, folks, it's officially the moment. Tianas Bayou Metro looks like a mountain again. In red box too, and I love it. I love it right here. This is how I view Splash Mountain. Yeah, baby, we got the wet bridge and the wet floor. The fun fact, Splash Mountain used to actually splash right here, but unfortunately something, I don't know what happened. But, yep, there's the red rocks right here. The classic Splash Mountain red rocks. Wow, I thought they painted this, but they didn't. It's amazing. This is incredible. See the difference, the color difference when the rocks get wet. So amazing. But you now got the green moss, which is very nice too, with the red rocks. And then you're staring straight to Big Thunder Mountain. And only classic Disney fans will remember when they had those fast passes printed out, which I have one of them now thanks to a very special person. But, you know, this is... Uh-oh. Was that lighting? Uh-oh. Got to go. I got the... And here's what it looks like with all the red rocks. Look how amazing that looks. You got the Louisiana Bayou back there, and then we are in the western frontier land. So just again, that is Louisiana back there. All that is Louisiana, the start of Louisiana. This is the orange frontier. So basically, it's Louisiana crossing into the frontier, and it works. It works perfectly. This is all frontier. Back there's Louisiana. So imagine, you know, there's like a whole village back there where New Orleans is like all the way like, I don't know, 2 hours away from that salt mine. Back there only. Because this way definitely is not New Orleans, but the mountain has spoken. how beautiful that looks. Look how amazing that looks.
I don't think we are selling cars on the I think there's a bigger. Yeah, probably.
Come on down.
I think I need a good laugh. I'm laughing. It's raining too. That's what I'm talking about.
I really like how they incorporated the banjos because this area is frontier land, so it makes sense. You hear the banjos playing, but with a gentle drum of Almost There. So like if you compare this to the movie Almost There, it sounds similar, but this is more frontier themed to Almost There, and I love how they did that. It's genius.